So, are you looking to start vlogging with your iPhone, but you're getting overwhelmed with all the bits and pieces that you need to get going? You start looking around, you're looking at reviews, you're buying stuff, and all of a sudden, costs are just stacking up and up and up, and then you just wish you never even thought about vlogging. I bet you wish there was a kit available that gave you everything you needed, zero complications, and all for around $80. Well, hold on, what's this? It's the new Flex-K3 kit from USKEYVISION. Let's do this! What is going on? It's Anil. So USKEYVISION were kind enough to send me this Flex-K3 vlogging kit to try out. But as always, this review today is my true and honest opinion about this vlogging setup. USKEYVISION haven't influenced this review in any way. I just want to make that clear from the start. So I know a lot of you guys are starting to get into vlogging with your smartphones. Whether you're starting up a YouTube channel, vlogging for Instagram stories, or just upping your game when you're traveling around with family on holidays. Whatever your reason, you might just want to get a full all-in-one kit. You don't want to have to worry about what microphone to get, what tripod to get, are they all compatible with each other? No! The Flex-K3 kit from USKEYVISION is supposed to do away with all of that worry. An all-in-one kit that is designed to work together, and all this for around $80. I know. It sounds too good to be true. But in today's video, we're gonna give this whole kit a once over. We're gonna look at what's in the box, we're gonna look at build quality, setup, performance, and usability. And right at the end, I'm gonna give you some final thoughts, and I'm gonna recommend who should be buying this kit. You excited? Are you excited? Let's go. Right, so let's have a look at what's in the box. Put this over here for now. USKEYVISION include a nice looking case. Zips up. Yes! When you open up the case, it's got an amazing layout. Everything has its own inserts. You can store things away nice and securely, and then you can just carry it around with you. So let's talk about all the parts you get in the case. You get a tripod. It's a flexible tripod. These three legs come out and you can kind of move them into any position that you want. It also comes with obviously a holder for your phone, which is universal. Pretty good action, I think. Has a little compartment at the back here where you can lock it in place. The holder is compact, it opens up easily, and the spring action is very smooth. I found that this was quite secure. So next up you get a microphone, and this is the UVM-X microphone, and I have to say it feels quite solid. It's got a bit of weight to it. It does feel like it's a good quality item. We'll see how that performs a bit later. You also get a light. Get this very small light, in fact, and it's quite light, and you've got this little diffuser as well that goes on and off very easily. It's got a shoe mount at the top, and obviously shoe mount at the bottom to attach to these. Now these are the flexible arms on the side of your tripod. You can screw these in, you can use both, you can use one, and that's the beauty of this kit. It is so flexible. You can configure it however you want it. You can use one arm to mount your light, you can mount your light on top of your phone, you can mount your light, everything on top of your phone. You don't even have to use the arms if you don't want to. So many options with this kit. You also get a couple of mic connectors here. So one is for your smartphone and one is for your camera. So you can actually use the microphone with a DSLR camera if you choose to. You need to make sure you have one of these 3.5mm jack to lightning adapters for your iPhone. It doesn't come with one in the box, so just make sure you're aware of that. Also comes with a little USB charging cable for the light, and it comes with two windshields. You've got a dead cat, and then you've got your kind of standard windshield here. And we'll be testing both of these out, see how good they are. Finally, USKEYVISION have included this nice little remote, this little Bluetooth remote. So we're going to be setting this up and doing a little test with this remote too. So as I mentioned, there are a number of different configurations that you can have with this kit using the arms using both arms, using one arm. You don't even have to use any of the arms. Flexibility is unbelievable with this kit, and it's one of the biggest selling points for me. And like I said, using a smartphone, you want to make sure you're using the smartphone adapter, and if you've got an iPhone like me, you need to make sure that you plug in your lightning adapter and then you're ready to go. Also, I mentioned it comes with a little Bluetooth remote. I'll show you how to set up. Again, it's so easy. Grab your phone. I got an iPhone, so I'm going to be showing you how to do it on there. On the Bluetooth remote, you've got a little switch on the side. You just flick that forward. A little green light will start flashing. You just go straight into your iPhone settings, scroll down to Bluetooth. You will then see BT-2, just select that. Press pair, bang. And then what you will notice is the flashing disappears. If I now load the standard camera app, I can press the button and it will take photos. I can go to video, press the button, press the button, press the button, it's starting, it's stopping videos. And this is really handy if you've got your vlogging kit somewhere up, tied around a tree, you want to do some filming of yourself, you can just have this in your pocket, press the button, and you just film yourself. Woo-hoo. I think I'm ready to go and film a vlog. I'm going to take this kit out for a little spin using my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're going to do a little vlog. Are you ready? Let's go. Right guys, it's time to test this kit out. I've got the full USKEYVISION kit all on the go. Got the flexible tripod, I've got a flexible arm with the mic on top, and we're gonna go out, we're gonna film a little vlog. Yeah, let's go. So guys, in the UK, we've had some terrible storms. Eunice, Franklin, I can't even remember all the names. We just got storms left, right and center. I can't go out and do a full vlog. So I'm gonna be finishing the rest of the review in the house. We'll still be able to give it a good once over. Now, before the storm actually ruined the filming, I did manage to test the tripod and the holder. Some of the scenes that I shot in that vlog at the beginning, I was wrapping that tripod around gates and posts to get those shots. I was actually really surprised at how well it gripped. So let's talk about the mic. Now, as I mentioned, it comes with 2 wind guards. So let's test both of these options out, and the mic. Did a little sound test in the garden, so let's check that out. Right, we're testing the microphone. We've got the standard, a little bit of a wind pickup here now. Got the standard wind shield on. Right, we've now got the dead cat windshield on the microphone. Swapped it over. Not sure how that is feeling. There's a little bit of wind now picking up. There we go. Dead cat windshield on the kit. Now, I've got to be honest with you. This does nothing in the wind. I would keep this on your microphone when you're filming indoors, but if you go outside with this, your microphone's going to start clipping. It's no good. That's where the dead cat comes in. It does a reasonably good job of reducing the amount of wind that's hitting the microphone. I have to say, it's not perfect. In high windy conditions, it's not going to do anything. You can look at this. The wind. You saw in that video, as soon as you hit some really high winds, it's still going to start clipping the audio a little bit. So if you live in a remote area, up in the mountains, or like where I do, there's a lot of country, a lot of open air, this might not work out for you. But for normal everyday situations, it does a really good job. So let's talk about the light. Now, the light that comes with the kit it looks quite small, so I wasn't too sure how good it was going to be. Right, it's now pitch black outside. You can't see me, I know this. I'm going to turn a light on now. We're going to see how good this light is. Quite bright. Not sure how good it is, but side profile, side, let's get the beard. Get the beard, can you see that? Whew. From a pitch black situation, as soon as you turn the light on, pretty much lights up your whole face. It does a really good job, in my opinion, for those situations when you're out and about and you're vlogging, you want something light and portable and you still want to get your vlogs out. This does the job. It's not perfect, it's not the best light. If you're a beginner or if you want something with less hassle, you saw the results. It completely lit my face up. I was really happy with it. I was actually quite surprised at how well it lit up my face. So my final thoughts on this kit, I was very impressed at how well it performed. If you're a beginner vlogger, or if you're someone who doesn't want the hassle, you just want a kit that works out of the box, this is perfect for you. For an $80 kit, this is value for money and it is awesome. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Please check out these other videos and I'll see you in the next one.